Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda CRV fog light bulb. First, you'll need to access the fog light assembly. Turn your steering wheel fully to the side opposite the light you're working on. This gives you more room. Next, locate the fender liner and carefully remove the 3 to 5 clips holding it in place. This will expose the fog light housing. Once you have access, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently squeeze the tab and pull to disconnect it. Now, grasp the bulb itself and twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. It should feel loose. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its housing, being mindful not to touch the glass. Take your new fog light bulb and carefully insert it into the housing. Make sure the tabs on the bulb align with the slots in the housing. Once aligned, gently push it in and twist it clockwise about 1/4 of a turn until it feels secure. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. Now it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully put the fender liner back into position and secure all the clips you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is snug and secure. Before you finish, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to ensure it's working properly. If it illuminates, you've successfully replaced your bulb. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.